Welcome to Lucky Wheels. From the situation where the truck lost control and crashed into the roadside due to slippery, rainy conditions, causing severe damage to the vehicle, to the situation where the truck was speeding, leading to a serious overturn of the vehicle. This video is created for educational purposes and contains incidents that have garnered global attention due to their sudden and often dramatic nature. It also emphasizes the importance of traffic safety. Let's get it on. Yes, reduce braking while cornering. Sudden braking when entering a corner can lead to a loss of control. Instead, control your speed before entering the corner. Make steering movement smoothly and avoid sudden or sharp turns. Abrupt steering can lead to loss of traction and results in skidding. Always use your turn signals to indicate your intentions to other drivers. If another driver cuts you off, remain calm and take a deep breath. You would have been charged with dangerous driving for that, so don't do it. Be mindful of the center of gravity, especially when negotiating curves. Whoops cargo trucks have a higher center of gravity, making them prone to tipping. Oh, never cut into the lane of other vehicles. Stay focused on your own lane, everyone. On a rainy day, you have to drive cautiously, because any time can be a hydroplane moment. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below. Folks use the 3-second rule to ensure that you have enough time to react if the vehicle ahead brakes suddenly. If conditions become too hazard, or if you're unsafe, falling over to a safe location and waiting for the weather to improve. Be cautious when making sharp turns, and avoid sudden lane changes. Distribute weight low and evenly to minimize the risk of a rollover. This is a reminder that the roads demand our full attention. We all want to avoid it. That's a classic example of overestimating your own driving skills. Curves demand respect, not recklessness. Oh my, the driver must be dozing off while driving. Always stay alert when operating a vehicle. Stay calm and maintain a patient driving attitude. If you notice unstable driving from surrounding vehicles, be ready for sudden lane changes or swerving. Folks, let's drive with a safe following distance. It prompts a more comfortable and confident driving experience. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. Distribute the weight of your luggage evenly inside the caravan to avoid overloading, especially with heavy items that could easily cause your vehicle to tip over. Practice patience, and remember that arriving safely at your destination is more important than saving a few minutes of travel time. Oh my, what happened to the driver? Please pay attention to your path. No, never drive under the influence of alcohol or any drugs that may impair your cognitive functions while driving. Oh no, the driver didn't notice that the traffic ahead had stopped and reacted too late. At least no one was injured. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. Never go too fast when entering a curve, especially when the road is wet and slippery, as it can easily cause your vehicle to skid, which is dangerous. Let the ambulance pass through. Give it the right of way. Don't try to block or obstruct its path. Snow can create slushy or icy patches, increasing the risk of skidding. So, drive at a slower speed, reduce the chance of hydroplaning, and improve overall vehicle control. As long as you keep a safe distance, even if the car in front of you stops suddenly, you have enough time to brake. Be alert, folks. Ensure proper weight distribution. This helps reduce the risk of the vehicle tipping over due to loss of control. This is what it means: low speed and distance. Be careful, guys. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. This is an inexperienced driver squeezing into the lane of the truck next to them. Hopefully, that driver has learned their lesson. If your vehicle starts to slide, gently steer in the direction you want to go. Without overcorrecting, avoid slamming in the brakes, as this can worsen the slide, and everyone is alive. It seems this vehicle was overloaded, causing it to tip over while on the road. Be careful with the weight of your cargo to avoid tipping the vehicle. This is the reason why snowy roads require suitable tires and experienced driving. The incident involved due to overcorrection, right? Be careful, everyone.
Oh my God!
Slow down, everyone. Yielding to each other is a good idea. Trust me. Everyone be vigilant and observant for your surroundings, especially when approaching intersections, alleys, or side streets. Hey buddy, remember to never run a red light. Be patient and wait for the red light to change. All I can say is drive carefully. You never know when you encounter a distracted driver.
USB 延长线。
This is the consequence of trucks cutting into lanes. Please be careful and stay in your lane. Everyone, please slow down when approaching an intersection, especially if you're unsure about the flow of traffic or if visibility is limited. Oh my, please slow down when entering a curve to avoid dangerous collisions with other vehicles. You would have been charged with dangerous driving for that, so don't do it. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below. Oh my, what happened to that car? I hope the driver is okay. Always use your turn signals to indicate your intentions to other drivers. If another driver cuts you off, remain calm and take a deep breath. Everyone, approach intersections with caution. Slowing down gives you more time to react to unexpected events, like a vehicle suddenly turning. Oh my God! Everyone should remember never to run a red light if you want to avoid terrible accidents at intersections. No, never drive into the influence of alcohol or medications that may impair your cognitive function. This is why you leave a good following distance, so you have room to brake. Always stay calm while driving to avoid accidents caused by losing control. Everyone. This driver was the victim of a speeding car, running a red light. Don't beat the red light. Make sure to thoroughly check your surroundings before crossing the street. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. Folks use the 3-second rule to ensure that you have enough time to react if the vehicle ahead brakes suddenly. Don't cut across multiple lanes to make a turn. Such dangerous maneuvers can be unpredictable and increase the risk of collisions. Bro makes steering movement smoothly and avoid sudden or sharp turns. Abrupt steering can lead to loss of traction and results in skidding. Oh my God! A rock slide fell onto the road. Fortunately, no one was injured. As long as you maintain a safe distance, even if the car in front of you stops suddenly, you'll have enough time to brake. Stay alert, everyone. The driver was definitely distracted. Always stay focused when you're driving. This is a reminder that the roads demand our full attention. We all want to avoid it. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys.
Because now we all were out of production because you were in such a freaking hurry to be able to be like, okay, done. Oh my god, I gotta go, I gotta call 911.
Oh my, it seems that the small truck didn't pay enough attention when the other vehicle was crossing the road. Please stay aware of your path. This is the consequence of cutting into other vehicles' lanes. Please pay attention and stay in your own lane. Be cautious of drivers who may change lanes abruptly or tailgate. Do not imitate this. Oh my, the driver of the black car should never change lanes so suddenly and carelessly. I hope they learn a lesson from this. Do not imitate this. If you don't want fines or even license suspensions, stay alert, guys. Maintain a safe distance and keep an eye on the back of the vehicle in front of you to ensure you have enough time to react. Don't tailgate. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. Oh my god, why is that truck driving the wrong way? I hope everything will be okay. Well, be careful when crossing the street, especially at intersections without traffic lights. Be careful when crossing the street in the rain, as it can partially obscure drivers' visibility. Stay safe, everyone. When approaching an intersection, everyone should slow down to avoid serious accidents. Thank you for watching videos from start to finish. Share your favorite moment in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. See you next video.